Hello and welcome. I hope are you doing well. Okay, to I want to looking for sell or right now in this price action. We are on London session. This high is protected high. According to me, this is liquidity, trendline liquidity, and this is support and resistance liquidity. And last buy to sell week I looking for sell, and my also here is liquidity. No, this is low, protected low. Okay, I am expecting market run this low. This is right now is protected structural low. Also here I have EU. I looking for sell. Also in London session looking for sell. This is protected low. I am expecting market run this low and then retrace. I looking for sell. Okay, market broke protected low and I am looking for sell. This video is speedily. Okay, looking for. I am expecting next move. Market run this low on EU, and here I enter in GU. You can see in left side is GU. This is EU. Okay, beautifully priced delivery on GU. You can see clearly. Now I took my trade on break even. Looking for market run this low. You can see is downside. I point out next move. This mean I looking for market broke this low, major to the downside. Also trendline liquidity. You can see it took 6 or 7 trade beautifully. Okay. Right now I have 10 RR. 10 RR. You can see EU and the GU running to the downside for. Okay. Here you can see market cross these two lows. Okay, here you can see market cross beautifully priced delivery market. Here you can see market cross. This one I'm looking for market run. Also this low is also liquidity to the downside. Okay, I am here. this here we have like 1 to 13 2 hour in GU. You can see clearly this is GU, and other I have EU. Here we have like 1 to 19 hour almost, and my entry was here. Okay. Okay, here and see clearly. Still looking for sell in this region. See, market came back and tapped in this region and then beautifully trade to the downside. And this is EU to the live trade. You can use some video. Last video I was live in that point of time. Okay, other is here. Okay, if you remember my last video, I took sell trade in this region. Okay, took sell for aiming this low. If you remember, no, sorry. I took sell from last day. Okay, yesterday. I took sell here and aiming this low, and market run this low. Market retraced multiple time, and after like London session, New York before closing market run this low, and then market run also this way. Okay. And today I'm looking for sell, aiming this low. Okay, this equal low, this low to this low. That equal lows is a relative equal lows. Also here is a low resistance liquidity. Here you can see. I aiming for this one, and this is London open market. When London open market retraced to the downside, and then market run this equal highs. You can see this high and this high. Market tap in this region. I'm looking for sell. Jump on 1 minute time frame. Market create equal highs. Market run equal highs. Broke to the downside, and then market came back, mitigate this week before running to the downside. You can see clearly, very beautifully. You can see market run like 1 to 13, 1 to 13 or 31 hour. Beautifully price delivery. This is EU today, Friday. It's 1st April 2022. Okay. Hope you like video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye.